Okay, self-contradictions, tautologies, and implications. Man, I haven't really worked with anybody that's pronounced this word for a while, so you might want to check the pronunciation. Tautology, something like that. Okay, but self-contradiction is a statement that is always false. A tautology, or however you pronounce it, a statement that is always true. So, like 2 equals 2, that would be a tautology. And an implication is when you have a conditional or biconditional statement that is always true. Okay? So, we get this statement: I will drive the car and I will not go shopping. Okay? So, I will drive the car. They're saying I'm definitely going to I'm definitely going to drive the car and I will not go shopping. Okay? It's not a conditional. It's not saying I will go shopping if I drive the car or anything like that. So it's not going to be an implication. Okay. Um, it's a statement that is always true. It's not always true that you're going to be driving the car, right? It's not always true that you won't go shopping. Sometimes you might go shopping. Okay. So you can't call it a tautology or a self-contradiction because it's not always true, not always false. Okay. Oh, so Newton does a good job too of the explanation. They ask you to make a truth table. You know, if you let P be, I'll drive the car, and Q is I'll go shopping. If these are true, then it's false. Um, yeah, so you can make a truth table too to go through these, and that might be a good way of keeping your thoughts straight. Okay, because sometimes it's true that you're gonna drive the car, like here and here. And sometimes you might go shopping. That might be true, and sometimes you will not go shopping. So that's false. Okay. So they asked, I will drive the car, and I will not go shopping. Okay. So it's both false and true. It's not always true, and it's not always false. So that's why we ruled out self-contradiction tautology. Okay. So is the following statement self-contradict? So Bill likes chocolate or doesn't like chocolate. Okay, is that a tautology, a contradiction? If you make a truth table, okay, let Bill likes chocolate or Bill doesn't like chocolate. Okay, let P be chocolate. Okay, liking chocolate and not liking chocolate. That's just the negation of P, right? So if P is true, then not P is false. So that means liking chocolate or not liking chocolate. If we put this or operator, P or not P, that's the part of the table we're supposed to fill out. And if that part is always true, or if that part is always false, then we can say it's a tautology or self-contradiction. And we're ruling out implication, right? Because it's not a conditional statement. It's not saying if he likes chocolate, then he doesn't like chocolate. It's not conditional on one statement. So yeah, if we fill out this column, P is true, F is false. So P or F, there we go. P or F gives us a true statement. Okay, because one or the other is true. And you can keep going down through the table. If P is true and F is true, F is true. That's another option. Then this is true. P could be false. Oh, I can't seem to write it. P could be false, and that means not P would be. Oh shoot! Sorry, hold on. Right back here. If P is true, we've already done that one. Then F needs to be false. Yeah, sorry. Let me back up. I'm very sorry about that. I was thinking if we had P and Q, okay? But if P is true, then F is false all the time, okay? There's only one other option. P could be false, then not P could be true. And this is still a true statement over here. P or not P, right? Because one or the other is true. So these are the only two options. Either P is true, either Bill likes chocolate, and that means the contradiction that Bill does not like chocolate. That means P is false, okay? Or P could be false. That means not P would be true, which means the statement P or not P is always true. So this is a tautology, okay? Okay, so maybe making those truth tables will help there. I'll not go to the movies, or I'll go to the movies. That's the same type of thing, right? That statement's always going to be true.